Whether you're looking to maximize your horsepower or just gain some fuel efficiency, Haltech can help. I'm here with Matthew Wright. And Matthew, tell me a little bit about your new products here.
Well, we'll start at the beginning. We've been here for about 25 years now. We invented this technology, so we actually hold the patents to programmable engine management. Over the last 3 or 4 years, we've rolled our computers over to a whole new technology, so what you see here today is sort of the latest and greatest out there on the market.
I understand you have different computers for different applications.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Not everybody has the same needs or desires, and not everybody has the same budget. So we have a full range of computers stretching from the $900 range right up into the well into the thousands.
Now explain to me how this computer can help you maximize the horsepower or gain efficiency.
Yeah, that's not a problem. Essentially, what you have is once you modify an engine, you're no longer using the factory specifications. So you might make the engine bigger by boring or stroking an engine. You might be adding turbochargers or superchargers, maybe some advanced features, nitrous injection, or you may want to do some things like anti-lag, or you want to go drag racing or circuit racing. Everybody's desires are different. Basically, whenever you modify an engine, the factory programming is no longer correct for that engine. So what our computers allow you to do is modify the fuel delivery and also the ignition timing and things like boost control and that sort of thing, so that you can get maximum performance out of all of your modifications.
And how does it help with fuel efficiency?
Well, again, when you modify an engine, you're modifying all sorts of things. Airflow is a big thing, so different amounts of air are going into the engine, and therefore you need different amounts of fuel for that. So you can program how much fuel goes into the engine, and therefore you can basically program how good or poor your fuel efficiency is.
Do you have a product for pretty much all makes and models?
Essentially, that's right. If you've got a modern engine that's fuel injected, we'll have a computer that can run it.
And what about the software that comes with it? How easy to use is it?
Yeah, that's one of the big advances in the technology that we've recently released. We write all our own proprietary custom software. It's all Windows-based. It's very user-friendly, which when it comes to engine management, not everything is that user-friendly. It's a technical market out there. Basically, our engineers are all hands-on guys. They're all guys that are actually working on motor vehicles. So what we try and do is we try and present our software in a way that guys in the workshop can understand, because that's very important.
Now, being that you guys are out of Australia, where can someone in the US or other parts of the countries get your products?
That's a good question, yeah. Whilst the head office and head manufacturing facility is in Australia, we actually also do have an office here in the US. So we have 2 offices, a big one in Australia and a smaller one in the US. So we've got about 6 staff over here in the US, so they can provide you with products, technical support, and basically answer all your questions.
Well, it sounds like you have an awesome new product. Be sure to check it out on haltech.com.